Nuer Malakan Yam Biakamalka Nuer online TV channel. Kajan Larame mi Biconaling Bana Jawutka Michel Ke Captain Chol Abram Wood Dinka Ki Wood Janka Mlakwar Ke helicopter and con Teshu Bokre Wekanas Kana Ulang Guate Chukur Major Tokten Can taken ke to gunship te wa ke che wo bokre which kanasar ka gwase dan raja bana kula lin gwasa me kaje gwadan en me kun kan geren yale shu bokre which kanasar an shal ga jima reng loal rameshi yedo jen gwaze che wo bokten geren yal kula la lo den jok me chere yale je chu yakan winemi kasho liu kanane tin content re nyal kel bana joda bana jelin kel ka jen video me kan kono niam mi jiram jidit kanor online tv channel gor jen o jender subscribe ke den notification bell re jetwain ko de ler titi de kan chamala shub ke ji gwasan pai ke larech ko gor kono bo konti lat ko rien bana kelinga gwa en man ban len gwata jen kwiren yalte konte showbook biya jode biya jelin ka jelere me Chirgama Chalari shall show the Captain Chol Abram, Woodinka, Chadoba Luke Jimarang, Lual, Karinyal, Chipan, Jajalat Guasi Danishiko Bokton Kanasar Kanawulang, and Guade Chicken Bokton. So Banajo, Banajalink, Katadan, and Shalat Kaja, Raja Guadan Dan, and Coinka Wood, Michel K. Jimarang Lual, and Chanajalinkel, 110.
General Abraham Guma Pai, Major General Police Commissioner Taradubat, ladies and gentlemen, Captain Pilot, I am actually the head of attack squadron.
And then Jaram Dan La Queran Yam Kanate Conte Ubok, Kevin Yalken.
Chief Alena. Okay. Chaju no Jurani of Jan. To use English as my communication language.
Janeva Raika to Miko Jan contain it.
Jan Tiaret SPLA out here at SPDF to Gilabio Mosulade. Yenachol Clay.
I wanted to use this language because my commander is not one of us among the Dinka community.
Ken jam tong lingle the charan Mosul and Tibanaka, a charan tong young Ping, and the Yamene can be binding Mosul Ping.
And I also have colleagues that are not members of the Dinka community.
And I'm quite quick and I say one young.
I will be very brief about the situation that unfolded that led to the loss of Jima.
But where the Muchura Loy can kick a parto, Yen Tiarde, Jima Tiarde, Muchura Loy, Pinagima.
On a Sunday morning, we had a good day.
Yom Lad Bagpin, I need Payapep.
And we celebrated, we were welcomed by the maternal uncles of Jima.
Jamgal Keg, I check your Chulu community, Abanika Lord, Yom Lad Bagpin, to Malakan.
And
Narkan Jima.
They gave us a chip.
Achi Gamoja Mal, Tonamal.
And we had a day.
You could knock with every.
So Monday morning,
now you could took Bagapin.
I received a call from my command that was in Malakan.
What did you all run Mosul Malakan? It Alamadial, you come in.
At 5 o'clock in the morning.
That did Bagapin, Karun.
That you and your group, you hurry up and come to the airport. We have a situation.
A little guy long to do it, don't you want to Jack Bagban Mataro, one on Kichiralo.
So I had to call up the driver, and it took us a bit of time, up to about 5 seconds.
Just walk out to all Arabia because when you don't you can Kinang Daman, Banangsa, comes out, Kinang Talatin, the Giga Swak.
We took up to the airport.
You get Jalek Matar.
We found the whole command was there.
Go Akuma Yogoban Kai Matar, Kika, Matar Malakan.
So we received the orders.
Look at Alamatkan.
And we did what we are supposed to do.
We looked in Victor Piazza Talamaro or Bigagam.
From there we took off
Aja lunjul la tire.
at about 7 o'clock.
Sadro chok.
On our way to Nasser,
Dulden ke tiada aja perala Nasser.
everything was normal.
Kriya jaban tatide chin jiwa je tire.
We went, we executed our mission,
Achilo kulo kulon
and we came back.
kulo bung malakan.
That was the morning flight.
Baga pin kulo tok.
We had to come back,
Alo duk.
and we also had the orders to return back.
Achibe nang talmet bigba duk. Bingyok duk Nasser.
So we did the preparations,
Ayro jur
and we did everything that is required to be done at that stage,
kaye ga kor tir go bana chi ga tawan kan.
and then we left.
Kujel ga ay par.
That was about 10 o'clock.
Siya sa chara.
We left along the way when we are leaving from Malakal, you go in that direction.
Tuwene kek par jale kek jal malakan.
You have to leave Nagyar.
Te chala nang diare ko pol.
Okay, I will not mention all the areas, but the range is Ngok area.
Jal den malakan. La den la Nasser gale pan baliet ngog ne kek te gam.
About 17-18 minutes into the flight,
Dagi tiar ku bad jal jot kerun malakan.
before we leave the Ngok area behind,
Ke ken pan ngog wan tok.
I am the leader of the flight.
Yen ene Mosul command au ene ranu Mosul tiarat.
My aircraft is ahead,
Tiara de tatwing.
and Jima with his captain, who Alu Moinkawaja,
Jima ku jala granden kamane kwip yo ya ta chiene chok.
they are coming behind.
Achat akwani kot.
At that point, I received a call from Jima,
Ci telefon ci nang Jima.
Bejas,
Ja den tiara ci Jima chon.
that they have electrical failure.
Jam gal ban karbada acitem tiara dai.
And at that point,
Adaman tinin
as a trained pilot and engineer,
ran chipio bi apar ko tiadu
there are always alternatives.
anan kaga lo na cikin wai kina bu wai na cikin lo la kina lo ran lan
So when you lose the main power,
ci karba de centem
there is a standby power.
anan jareta re be doru bene kin bene be jak
They told me that they have started the standby power,
akilo tin gulol kan kin mirne na
to provide them with the electricity that they need in order to complete the rest of the flight.
karba suppose bula ba kayen real ku bula tuen kan bu par den to ku bula de
Give Lloyd.
aci doru
Then I told them, you return back to Malacca.
akilo talamat kulol Jima wurat do malakan
Let me proceed with the mission,
ana bugu ala balon bala lo
but you return back.
Jima wurat do malakan
And they turn back.
goji maran wel cin cin talamat ga pin ku wurat do malakan
On their way, while they are coming back,
ka je chadul ya bokien
I am expecting that everything will be normal because they have a standby power.
ci gwango kulelenu kun ci riaga ci tok da ci doro abakalar baka malakan na kide ne ma konde
So I continued with my mission, and they continued coming back to Malacca.
ke ga ja pok Jima ci dukien ban malakal ku yene ci lo Nasser la loy de le loy
Unfortunately, they did not make it back to Malacca.
ke a ci ja gore ra ke yin malakan
Sorry. So when I reached the place and had to return back,
je ne ci la de ne a ci ne to cin loya kuma ku jala dukien
at that point where they reported to me that they have a problem,
tun ci kaga daga kulolan wa kinan mushila
I'm able to call Malacca.
je ne ci ja go yu malakan
I called Malacca to confirm whether my partner has landed,
ci koy malakal ciol ku tike tiara de nun ci dukien ci ñun
no, they did not land.
go malakal wel gal tiara do kay ba
So I began to call, and there was no response.
a ci jala tin ku pel koy malakal ku jo Jima ciol Jima ja ciol Jima je ba gam
I changed the radio channels severally. I changed from this channel to another channel and all that, but there was no response.
radio ye ger chan channel sai to ye waten Jima liu welong Jima liu
So I began to search.
go la ban de dukien ku jo la gor jo pe nya kor ke ci ran
In that area where they reported, I searched, but I could not see anything.
a ci ban bi pinjala kor ke cha ma de chan biting to no ci Jima nyutin akay ci ngi ci
Until that time, when I expected now the fuel that I have is not enough to continue searching.
tun chen jal kor te Jima tin laman benzin de aw jande nun ci den a ci dungu kor Akwar Butogia.
I had to go to Malakal.
Go Jalbar, Jelban Malakal.
When I came, I reported to my command.
Tiban Gujolag and then Mosul? No, it's okay.
So when I reported,
Come on, Jenban, Kujam.
I got another order
Go Benam Talbet Konjadit.
that now the force in Malakal is under pressure because they may be running out of ammunition. In Nasser.
Achila Kulanin, Falcon Jima. Quite talk to Nasser. You are Abdul took on care.
So you have to take ammunition because otherwise they will be captured by them.
Palachiban ko Kulegal Talamat Kulur Jet, Baring Bakala tapping, Nasa.
Jen Jo Shaling a wood me Jen Woodan Churach, Chola Captain Chola Bram, she meant Shaling a general in Alacaro, Dobran Sha Jagaja, Rainal Dangro, Tocha Jagano, Yen, we are Neka Nasser, we are Laden money. Can she walk a she could book a book on them? She can low joke, you know. A chulu Neka Malakal, she can newer Shuano Jogono, be a Yolo joke. La second time yen, a genetanium, a trainal Jimanamo, te joke. Jelican Russia kill. A genomataniamo, co Janam Dana la Bona, go one at Canasser. Jenam Guadamo Shuaya Jogo Jiman, which Renala Chatakarik. Chirinel in Chatakarik, Kanish Jada Chatu, Kitch Power Jack. And Sharado Kanitakan can add a Larena la take a power dangro, la generator and them generator road. Chagajoko Guane and Tema Lawyer Jock, qua power generation and generator road. And Oko be chop Kamalakal. A Jenamichi Ruridon, Chayungano don't you chop chow commission and Guadamo Shabu Boka Nasser. Book the Ganasser, chu one over Luja Jock, Jenemy Jenny, Kagor down and Chega Banfintin, K. You had come a call mission, I can see chop, charging a term to chop. Jenny and Dobodan and Luca Garamo. Nyok Shajan and Canadian content tin book Nasser, but the Jeroid Medana Shelling Wasmo, so Shajaling Manana talk. And Beata Kamal, bye bye.